6-pound test line. Nice little bass.
Mm-hmm.
Take it.
Nice little spotted. About the same size, a little smaller than the other one.
It's a little small. He's a 12-incher though.
Mm-hmm.
He'll eat.
Oh yeah.
Good God. This is a hog. You hear me?
Jesus. I need a net.
Oh my
You gonna
God.
lip him? Look at that big boy there.
Oh my God. This is a monster. This is a 6-pounder.
Jesus. Oh boy.
Beautiful, beautiful Clark's Hill. Large mouth. We're gonna let it go.
Oh, 7-pounder. Remy, watch out.
I mean, why you all up there? Oh, it didn't. Oh, she ready to go. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yes, sir.
Nice catch, Bo.
Thank you. Bro Fishing Show. We on. Don Corleone. Oh yeah. Let me help you with that one. Let me go ahead and get that. Let me go ahead and get that lippy. Go ahead and get that lippy. Come in now. Come in now. Come in now. Come in now. Who you talking to? Come in now. Let me go.
Oh, yeah.
Let me go.
We done got on him.
Carl got the magic.
Oh, yeah.
Remy. Caliente.
Put me on him. My brother done put me on him on this cold December day. Oh yeah. Spotted back.
Man, what a beautiful fish.
Yes, sir.